Good morning, fantastic fourth graders. Today's Wednesday, April 8th. I'm here with morning announcements and to give you a little rundown of what's on today's lesson plans. Remember, it's important to try and keep up every day because a lot of the lessons build on top of one another. We have morning announcements, which you're hearing right now. On Class Zoom. Class Zoom's always going to be at 10 o'clock. I love seeing everybody, hearing what's new with you, and also answering any questions you have about what's going on with our lessons. Rocket Math, thank you to the people who are consistently doing Rocket Math. Those math facts are so important, especially now with fractions. So you're going to see how they come into play here very quickly. The more you do something, the easier it gets, the faster you become. Speaking of fractions, today's lesson is fractions greater than a whole, which means one whole, and also mixed numbers. And you're going to find out in that lesson what a mixed number is. A mixed number is something like 2 1/3, 3 1/4. So it's a whole and a part of another. We have fraction brain pop. Watch that to reinforce my lesson, and also take the quiz at the end. They're always kind of fun. Moby Max, I assigned 2 lessons on Moby Max. They have to do with mixed numbers again and fractions greater than a whole. Think Central, thank you to the people who are getting on there consistently doing their lessons. It's the Trainer 6.4, which has to do with the lesson I taught you. Reading, keep reading those chapter books. Now you're assigned to read through chapters 5 and 6. Also answer the questions that go with those. Keep up to date on those books because tomorrow we're going to have Zoom meetings for those chapters. Join us for those chapters even if you aren't totally caught up because we have a lot of good conversations on those. Moby Max for ELA, English Language Arts. There's 2 assignments on characters. So we're going to do some more writing, some more in-depth looking at character traits. Word ladder for today is ruling the roost. And there's also Lexia and Newsella. Newsella, I added 3 new articles that I think are pretty interesting you might like. So remember, 2 Newsellas a day. They can be 2 of mine or 1 of mine and 1 of your own. So that's the lineup for today, and I'll see you at Zoom.